Hi guys, welcome back to Absolute Brushes. If you're new here, I'm Pranjali. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today I'm creating this very elegant, sophisticated, traditional makeup look for you guys on this occasion of mahashivratri. So if you want to know how I got this look, please keep on watching. I'm first prepping my skin by spraying some Pack Instant Fixation Prep and Prime. And to hydrate my skin, I'm using this Milani Prime Perfection Primer. To fill in the pores of my forehead and nosy, I'm using the Baby Skin Insta Pore Eraser Primer. And because I have huge pores under my eyes, I'm using the Benefit Professional Primer. To give some life to my absolutely dull face, I'm using the MAC Strobe Cream in the shade Pink Light all over my face. To cancel out the blue undertones of the pigmentation around my mouth, I'm using an orange color corrector by Miss Claire. In case you are interested in a detailed explanation on the color correction, I'll link the video for it in the I button. For foundation, I'm using the Nykaa Skin Genius Foundation Stick in the shade 4.0. I love how sheer and long lasting this foundation is, though it's a little drying on my face, but it should work absolutely fine if you prep your skin thoroughly beforehand. And to blend it, I'm using my Damn Beauty blender. To brighten and bring forward some of my features like the under eye area, forehead, chin and nosy, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Creamy Beige and Yellow color corrector, and I'm blending this using my Damn Beauty blender. To bring some dimension and structure to my face, I am using the Hoola Bronzer by Benefit Cosmetics in the usual areas like the hollows of my cheekbones, circumference of my forehead, and to chisel my jawline and the sides of my nose with my angled brush. To bring some color to my cheeks, I am using the Maybelline Color Show Blush in the shade Peachy. And for highlighter, I am again using the MAC Strobe Cream in the shade Pink Light on the highest points of my face like the top of my cheekbones and the bridge and tip of my nose. And to set and seal everything in place, I am using a setting spray. This one's Pack Prep and Prime. To clean up underneath my brows, I am using the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Yellow color corrector. To set my concealer, I'm using a loose powder. This one's New Masterfix Setting Loose Powder. For my brows, I'm just filling in the sparse areas using this brown eyeshadow from Makeup Revolution Ultra Eyeshadow Palette. And to spread the color across, I'm using a spoolie so that it looks more natural. To warm up my crease area, I'm dipping into these two shades from Natasha Denona Biba Eyeshadow Palette with my larger blending brush by Real Techniques. To further give some depth to my crease, I'm using this nude brown shade from Natasha Denona Biba Eyeshadow Palette with my pack brush in the style 126, and I'm blending this using my smaller blending brush by ABH Cosmetics. For my lid, I'm picking up this light grey shade from Natasha Denona Biba Shadow Palette with my flat brush by ABH Cosmetics, and I'm kneading out its edges using my small shot shader brush. I'm lining my top lash line using the Lakme Insta Liner. To brighten my inner corners and my brow bone, I'm using this shimmery shade by Natasha Denona Biba Shadow Palette with my small pencil brush by Real Techniques. For my lower lash line, I am again using this nude brown eyeshadow from Natasha Denona Biba Eyeshadow Palette with my pack brush in the style 126. To finish up my eye makeup, I'll be throwing on some falsies, but before that, I'll be curling my lashes and I'll be coating them with some mascara. This one's Total Temptation by Maybelline. For lipstick, I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury lipstick in the shade Pillow Talk, and I'm topping it up with this peach nude shade by Faces Canada in the shade Tease. And for falsies, I'm using the Rufa Beauty lashes in the style Lila. And here is the finished look. I've paired it up with my grey suit, some oxidized jewelry and a bindi to complete that traditional look. Do let me know what do you guys think in the comment section down below. In all honesty, I love such traditional soft looks. So if you liked this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you're new here, please take a moment to subscribe. I post several videos a week. I've left the link to my social media accounts in the description box down below in case you want to follow me there. I love you guys so much. Happy mahashivratri to all of you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.